Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAFIT. Today's video is yoga to build muscles. Let's begin. Okay, let's keep your toes, heels, knee together. Hands on your center. Inhale, exhale, bend your knees. Let's take chair pose. It's called bakasana. Inhale, exhale for 1. Make sure to keep your knees squeezed. 2. And shift your weight to the heels. 3. Chest open. 4. And 5. From here, inhale, chest, lifting up your sternum. Exhale, upper body, twist to your left and use your elbow to twisting. 2. And then if you want, you can lift up your 10 toes up. 3. Make sure to keep your hips square. 4. And 5. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, twist to the opposite side. Make sure knee squeeze, hip square. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back to center and stretch your knees. Good. Open your legs wide, about twice, at least twice your hips distance. From here, inhale and exhale, squat. Make sure to pelvic floor up engage and tailbone tucked in. Bend your knee. Don't collapse your knees. Knee to the toes. From here, inhale. Grab with your left hand. Grab your right wrist and tilt. Reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to center. A little bit release. And again, bend your knees. Hips forward. Grab your wrist. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. Now let's take warrior 2. Virabhadrasana B. Toes straight, back toes 45-degree angle. And then front knee. And arms stretch out. 1, 2, 3. Make sure back heel pressing down firmly. 4, 5. Spine long. 6. Shoulder blades together. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Now change other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3. Shoulders down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax. Okay, let's take plank pose. And from here, make sure heel to the ground, one line. Engage your core and lift up one leg And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And switch. And if it is too much, make sure to keep your knee down. Okay? So it's your choice. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Okay. From here, let's do dolphin. So it's like a forearm plank pose. So forearm down. Make sure the palm heel really pressing down. Use the entire surface of your palm and as well as forearms. From here, as if you are doing forearm downward facing dog, lifting up hips high and walk your legs to your hands, okay? And support your weight with your heel. And inhale, exhale for 1, 2, tailbone high up toward the sky, 3, use your core, 4, and 5. Now walk back, forearm plank pose, heel to the ground, one line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more dolphin, walk your legs to your hands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Walk back, forearm plank, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now relax. Let's lay down on your back. And from here, let's bring your heel close to your hips. Do some palm down, facing down. And let's do bridge. 1, down without touching, hover. 2, press up, down, hover. 3, 4, 5. Make sure to keep your knee close to each other without opening, about hip distance. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now from here, let's do Namaste, boat pose. Bring your knee close to your chest. Make sure to keep your shoulder blade together, keep your chest open, and bring one leg here. And if you are feeling okay, and bring other leg. You can stay here. Totally good. Hold your knee like this, cross your chest, or if you want to try, knee straight. Again, you can keep holding your leg, but if you want to have more challenging, palm facing up. 5 rests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, half Navasana, half boat pose without touching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go back to full Navasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half. 1, 2, 3, 4, and And finally relax, finally relax. And take finally pose of Shavasana. Soften your gaze or close your eyes. Extend your arms, legs, and big inhale through the nose. Exhale, relax. Relax your chin. Relax your shoulders, neck. Relax your arms, legs. And relax your shoulders, chest. This sequence is designed to build muscles and make you stronger. I recommend you do it every other day. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!